car right here is parked on a jack right here. There's a lot of kids playing in this area during the daytime. This is a real hazard. That's why we towed these cars. This thing's got a bad tag and it's on jacks. Parked on over here.
See that the flat tire.
I know that. Listen, let me tell you something. There's kids out here playing.
Yeah.
If the car comes,
the tire yesterday.
I know you can't leave it on jacks. You got kids playing. It's towed.
See the tire. Look at it. I just removed it.
I understand.
Yesterday.
You can't leave them on jacks out here with kids around.
So,
It was stickered by the apartment complex. You can't leave. Listen, hey, and I'm not trying to be mean to you. Listen, I'm not. Any apartment complex in Atlanta, if you got a car just on a jack, but hey, because of potential.
What do you mean by jack?
It was sitting off the ground, no wheel on it. Hey,
because
kids.
I removed the tire, it had flat tire.
I know,
yesterday.
but you can't leave it. You can't leave a car sitting up on jacks because it'll fall on a little kid.
Hold on. I removed it last night. If you go into that car, the black car, I took the tire to Walmart yesterday. They said they closed at 6 o'clock.
And it's still got a tag. The tag's still bad. That's why I was sticking the tag. Just
Yeah, the tag. I'm getting the tag.
My job's not to be mean to people. My job's to tow cars that are out of compliance, and yours was out of compliance.
Please talk to them. I don't have 175 to come and get this car. Please, I'm begging you.
I can't leave this car on property. I'll lose my job if I leave this car on property. There's no way I can leave it here. Already on the hook, man. Try to be nice to this guy, give this guy a chance to pay this car out. And I don't guess he wants to pay it out, man. I'm gonna have to leave. I guess we're gonna see what this reaction is when I pull off right here. Cause I can't sit here and wait on him to pay it out. Hey, it's on the hook, man. It's on the hook. Hey. Yeah. It's on the hook, man. It's on the hook, man. You want to pay it out? Listen, man, I got this on camera. That way, if you decide to try to do something to me, I got it on camera. Ain't nobody gonna put no hands on me, man. You think you're going to? It's gonna be on camera. That way, I got protection if I do something to somebody.
What happened? What happened for people? ¿Tiene la cámara ahí todavía? Eso tiene que tomar foto. ¿Ah?
it's another one in.